Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete guide on how to start Digistore24 affiliate marketing for beginners. Let's get started. If you're looking for a way to create a passive income stream online by promoting products you don't have to create yourself, affiliate marketing with Digistore24 is a perfect place to begin. This platform is a massive digital marketplace where creators list their ebooks, software, online courses, and supplements. Your job as an affiliate is to find products you believe in, get a special tracking link for them, and share that link with your audience. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. In this full guide, we will cover absolutely everything you need to know, from creating your free account and picking winning products, to designing professional ads and tracking your first sales. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily. Your journey starts at the Digistore24 website. Open your browser and go to Digistore24.com. On the homepage, you'll see a prominent button that says Start Now. It's free. Click on it. This takes you to the initial registration form. The first thing you'll be asked for is a public username. This is the name that might be visible to vendors, so choose something professional. Next, enter your email address. Use one you have regular access to, as all important communications will be sent there. Then, create a strong password. A very important field on this first page is what is your main source of revenue. You need to select affiliate from the drop-down menu. This tells the system you are here to promote other people's products, not to sell your own. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. You will now be taken to a more detailed registration page. Here, you must fill in your full legal name, your address, city, postal code, country, and phone number. It is crucial that this information is 100% accurate because this is how Digistore24 will verify your identity and, eventually, send your commission payments. Once all fields are correctly filled, click Register for free. Immediately after registering, you must verify your email and look for a message from Digistore24. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Open the email and click the verification link inside. You might be asked to re-enter your password to confirm. Once done, your account is fully activated. Now, go back to Digistore24.com and log in with your email and password. You will land on your main dashboard. This is your command center. On the left sidebar, you'll see many options. For now, look at the top of the page. You'll see a drop-down menu that likely says Vendor View. Click on it and switch it to Affiliate View. This changes the dashboard to show you the data and tools relevant to an affiliate marketer. Now, let's find your first product to promote. In the left sidebar, click on Marketplace. This is where thousands of digital products are listed. You can browse by category using the filters on the left. It's best to choose a niche you're interested in, like health and fitness, business and money, or software. Click on a category to see the products. When you find a product that catches your eye, click on its title to open the product page. Here, you need to do some research. Look for the commission details. It might say earnings per sale, $45, or show a percentage like 50% commission. This tells you exactly how much you'll earn. Also, look for the affiliate materials section. Many vendors provide pre-made banners, email swipes, and ads you can use, which is a huge help for beginners. Read the sales page description to ensure it's a product you feel good about promoting. Once you've chosen a product, click the big green button that says Promote this product. A pop-up will appear with your unique affiliate link. This link contains special code that tracks all sales back to you. Click Copy to save this link. This is the key you will use in all your promotions. Having a great product and a link is not enough. You need to create attractive promotions to grab people's attention. The most effective promotions today are often in video format. Videos can explain a product's benefits quickly and build trust much faster than text or a static image alone. You might think creating videos is complicated or time-consuming, but that's not the case anymore. Thanks to modern AI tools, you can create professional, engaging promotional videos in just a few minutes without any technical skills. A powerful tool that makes this incredibly simple is Pitchery.ai. Instead of spending hours filming and editing, you can use Pitchery to turn a simple product description or a short script into a complete video. It automatically adds relevant visuals, a voiceover, background music, and text captions. This means you can quickly create video ads for social media like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, or even longer explainer videos for your blog. Using a tool like this allows you to produce high-quality content consistently, which is key to standing out and driving clicks to your affiliate links. I've left a link to Pitchery.ai in the description below, so you can explore how it can help streamline your content creation. Now, you need to share your promotion with your affiliate link. A great platform to start is Pinterest, as it acts as a visual search engine and can drive traffic for a long time. Create a Pinterest business account, it's free. Once logged in, you can create a new pin. If you made a video with Pictory, you can upload it directly. Add a strong title and a helpful description about the product. Most importantly, in the website link field, paste your Digistore24 affiliate link. Add relevant keywords as tags and publish it. You can repeat this process by creating content and sharing it on other platforms, like Facebook, Instagram, or a blog. The key is to provide value, don't just post a link. Create content that helps or informs your audience, and naturally include your affiliate link as a recommended solution. To see how your promotions are performing, go back to your Digistore24 dashboard. Click on Reports in the left sidebar. Here, you can see vital data like how many people have clicked your promo links, promo clicks, and how many sales you've made, sales volume. It may take some time and consistent promotion to see your first sales, so be patient. When you start earning commissions, you'll need to set up your payout method. In your dashboard, go to Payout Account under the Account settings. Here, you can add your payment details. Digistore24 pays via bank transfer, PayPal, and other methods depending on your country. There is a minimum payout amount, and payments are typically processed on specific dates each month. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes consistency. Choose products you trust, create engaging promotional content, share it strategically, and always track your results in your Digistore24 dashboard. Provide genuine value to your audience, and over time, you can build a real source of passive income. I've left a link to Pitchery.ai in the description below, so you can explore how it can help streamline your content creation.